Hi.
Hello.
Yeah, this is Suresh Kumar and this is my son Aditya.
Yeah.
He's just come down from UK. Uh, Actually, we had this in our mind to do something to our vehicle, which is a Ford EcoSport 2017 model. Actually, my son suggested the Autostarke. He was in UK and based on some inputs which he received from UK,
Yeah.
he suggested Autostarke. And so I came down over here almost about 15 days back, met Anup, and just gave an idea as to what we want. He gave a few suggestions of his own, which we liked, and we incorporated in the work. And we never came back. It was just over the telephone and one or two calls in between. But at the end of it, I just had a look at the vehicle. It's superb. Work is good, finish, workmanship, and what Anup had suggested, incorporated it, and now it looks superb. I'm sure there will be a lot of people now who look at this vehicle and say to send it to Ford EcoSport itself, so that they come out with these kind of vehicles. Now my son would like to say something.
I'm extremely satisfied with the work. I mean, huge appreciation to the entire team over here, and especially to Anubro, who have done a great job on our vehicle. And now it's like a stunning new vehicle, and I'm extremely satisfied with the work. And I do recommend Autostarke for the customers coming here.
Feeling so tall, I could give a high five to the pilot. Yeah, family tight, I keep small circle like island. Whoa, inbox full of contracts, I signed with a stylist. Yeah, blue faces blowing up like violet. Talk about the things they're gonna say when they see me. And when they see me, they just dap me up and say good to meet me. I keep it going, flowing over this and make it look easy. Easy for me to say I do this every day of the week. I'm eager to be the one they talk about when all said and done with it. I'm the feature that they want, but then they don't when I come with it. I'm a scene, still a seat filler, blow up the numbers. And I ain't leaving no crumbs, so you know when I'm done with it. I'm a new school vibe with an old soul. Oh so great, stay paid by the boat.